Number one, everyone who is present in the courtroom will remain in the courtroom until I tell them to leave. No one is to leave. Number two, I don't expect any type of outburst, any type of stating, yelling, screaming. I will punish that by contempt of court. No, I want everybody to let the verdict read. I want to then let the jurors leave. I don't expect any outbursts. I understand. I'll give y'all another talk once the verdict is read. Emotions run high on a jury trial. I don't want anything to happen to any party, regardless of what the verdict is. I don't want any yelling, screaming, cursing, pointing, nothing. I want everybody to sit there. If you decide to do that, as you count, I think we have about 6 or 7 law enforcement officers in the room. They will be happy to take you in custody, and I'll probably forget about you for being in contempt of court. You can sit down in Margarettsville for about 2 or 3 months. Are we clear on that? All right. That being said, anything before we bring the jury out?
All rise.
Reached the verdict, is that correct?
Yes, we have, Your Honor.
And you're the foreperson? And you have signed the verdict for us? You can hand it to the bailiff. First verdict one has been returned. We, the respective members of the jury and panel of trial the issues joined between the state of West Virginia and the defendant Stephen Willis, following our review of the evidence deduced from all the witnesses in the case and the application of the evidence contained in the court's charge, do not find by proof beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendant Stephen Willis committed the crime alleged involving the unlawful killing of Stephen Linpool, and therefore the said Stephen Willis is not guilty of the charges contained in count 1 of the indictment. Signed, foreperson Troy Work. We, the respective members of the jury and panel of trial issues joined between the state of West Virginia and defendant Stephen Willis, following our review of the evidence deduced from all the witnesses in the case and the application of legal principles contained in the court's charge, do not find by proof beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendant Stephen Willis committed the crimes alleged involving the unlawful attempted killing of Ronnie Wade, and therefore said Stephen Willis is not guilty of the crimes charged in count 2 of the indictment. Signed, foreperson Troy Workman. We, the respective members of the jury and panel of trial issues joined between the state of West Virginia and defendant Stephen Willis, following our review of the evidence deduced from all the witnesses in the case and the application of legal principles contained in the court's charge, do not find by proof beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendant Stephen Willis committed the crimes alleged involving malicious assault of Ronnie Wade, and therefore said Stephen Willis is not guilty of the crimes charged in count 3 of the indictment. Is that your verdict, Mr. Workman?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Either side wish for me to call the jury?
No.
Okay, ladies and members of the jury, thank you very much for your service in this. I'm going to excuse you today. I'm going to ask you not to discuss anything about this matter until the term is over, which is actually over on Friday. I'm going to give you all an opportunity to go to your cars and leave. I'm going to have everyone else remain in the courtroom until I get the okay from the bailiff to all the jurors are safe to be able to do it. I thank you once again for your service.
All rise.
folks. Move the jury leaves, y'all want to take him back in my chambers for a moment. Yes, we'll wait till the jury leaves. I hope that nothing happens as a result of this jury verdict. I've already seen one person killed, another person severely wounded, and another person stand on trial for murder. I hope this ends it today. If there's any further actions that happen as a result of this, can be related to the trial. I'm sure that Mr. Stevens will prosecute whoever causes troubles to the fullest. If I sit as a judge, he probably will not sit very favorably with me. This is a tragedy, no matter how you look at it. This is a family that's been torn apart by whatever happened here. I don't want to see anything compounded by any future action or any type of revenge or retribution or trying to get someone back. It needs to end today. I hope that it does.
Genesee Case Counsel, excused to go with.
Yeah, y'all, I might bring y'all back in here. I'm now going to go ahead and excuse members sitting here in the audience. Like I said, I hope you take my words to heart. This has been a tragedy no matter what has happened. You have a man who's dead, another man injured, and one was off for murder. I hope that it is y'all free to go. I need you to exit the courtroom.